Hi y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Hi y'all. Well, I thought it's time for another shop update. My projects are pretty much done for a little while. I'm guessing maybe a month because I've got to start packing the shop up to get ready to move to the new place. We're set to close on the 22nd, so I'm going to be packing between now and then. We're going to be moving right after, and then, you know, the whole rigmarole of unboxing and unpacking and getting things set up. So I don't know how soon I'll be able to get back, but it's not going to be soon enough. In the meantime, I got a couple of new stickers. One from Harneal Media and the Makers Media Network that I am now a proud member of. So let me put these in their place of distinction. And yes, the sticker cabinet is coming with me. This cabinet came with me from Ohio. Somebody was throwing it out, so I put a French cleat on it, hung it on the wall. If I had fingernails, it'd be easier to get off. There we go. I'm going to put this right up here above old Mike. Alright, stickers are up. Got to start packing. Not looking forward to the move, not looking forward to the packing, but I am anxious to get into the new place and get into the new shop. I'm going to have a lot of setting up to do, replumbing my dust collector, but you know, it's all part of the game. So thanks for watching. Come back, check on us every now and then. I may have an update for you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe. Come back and see us here in the Messy Studio. You never know what we're going to be into.